Hi there. So today we've got a short lesson on aviation nouns, those nouns that are common in aviation communication. So let me go through the words with you first of all. Expectation, explanation, assumption, communication, cancellation, instruction, reaction, separation, description, and initiation. And what we're going to do is fill the spaces. And as you can see, it's also giving you a little bit of practice in how to describe an aviation photo, which is a common exercise for several of the ICAO English tests out there. The controller gave the pilot the instruction to go around. There was very little separation between the two aircraft. The passengers were told about the cancellation of the onward flight. The captain gave his explanation for the cause of the damage. Lack of communication was one of the causes of this accident. I made the assumption it was the driver's fault. The news reporter gave his description of what happened. The passengers gave a joyous reaction when the plane came to a safe stop. The alert sounded 30 seconds prior to the descent initiation. I'll read that one again. The alert sounded 30 seconds prior to the descent initiation. We can also say the alert sounded 30 seconds prior to the initiation of descent. The passenger's expectation was that everything would be fine. I hope you enjoyed that short video on aviation English nouns. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like, please, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.